What are you doing on the video here?
We're hiding out from the rain.
Is it raining?
Let's look at all the positives. I'm finishing my pretzels.
Yeah.
This dust is coming off. Guess we need a little break anyway, right?
Yeah. How far are we away from your cache?
Oops. Oh, lost satellite.
Oh, sure.
Because we're under the country.
Good one.
But it should be right down there. Let's see. My little handy dandy notebook. Well, that's a little bit like, okay, so this is where we're hiding out under right now. Okay, right here. So we gotta go down that way and then go this way. So it might be a little hard to get there. Looks pretty steep. Or maybe we can go by the beach.
Yeah.
And work our way back. And then the next one, if we're inclined to do so, over there somewhere. Coming back up. Cause see, and then we're coming back up on this side because there's one right over there somewhere too.
Okay.
Yeah. Plus the wind's going this way, so.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And it's getting brighter and brighter. Do you want to
Okay.
wait a little longer?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit. All right. How do you? This is like your first trip on these lakes and stuff. Streams connecting them. What do you think of it?
It's cool.
Pretty gosh darn cool. I never made it any further than that dam on the just south of Keller there. So I think it's pretty dang great.
Yeah.
I can't remember if, like I say, if it goes further, like south or not from a you know.
It looks like there's a tunnel over there. I don't know. Oh, it could be a.
Yeah, I don't know.
Actually, it could be a railroad tunnel.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't really check much further than this place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enough for one day.
I think you're right.
We've been out here for 2 hours now.
Feels like 15 minutes.
Well. It's letting up.
Oh, the water. Oh, yeah, the rain's letting up a little.
We have some sunflower seeds in the kayak.
Oh, then I'll find a dead chipmunk in here later. What did we find in your
hummingbird?
Was it alive?
Nope.
Found a dead hummingbird in the kayak she's in right now today. She found it. I'm like, that's a good omen for this trip into no man's land. We don't know.
You could have made a charm out of it, you know, like a rabbit's foot or something.
Yeah, a hummingbird's body. It's a lot more lucky than a rabbit's foot. It's the whole damn body. I bet no one else, probably not many people have a hummingbird's body.
Oh, I've seen one up that close.
Yeah, I mean hanging around your neck on a chain.
Yeah.
I bet you'd be pretty exclusive in that area. So how many caches? What did you find? 2 out of how many? 3? Did we only miss that first one, or?
Yeah, we're gonna hit that on the way back.
Oh,
remember?
that's right.
1, 2 so far.
So we're 2 for 3.
And then there's 3 on this lake.
Oh, jeez.
4 more, really. If we want to do them all, but it doesn't look that much further down there. I mean, it's right. The end is over there.
Okay.
I mean, the point of this is to get some exercise, right, too?
Yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, you know, we're out, so we might as well be out.
And I only have the kids gone that much, you know.
I know. That's another thing.
Lake Phalen. We're on Lake Phalen. Maybe the same fall.
It's getting cold.
Yeah, I'm getting cold. There's pneumonia. Weather.com. I don't know. Or
Yeah.
you go on Yahoo and go on weather.
Weather.com would be good.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's probably 55109 or something.
Yeah, that'd be close enough.
Close enough. .109 for the zip code. $5 o'clock? You wanna sit here till 5, maybe?
I don't know.
Light rain. It ain't light right now. I mean, it's not pouring, but it's uncomfortable. What? So we better... That sounds worse than light rain. Oh, so 4:45 it stops, approximately, but before that we get showers instead of light rain? We might as well keep pedaling, Nate. We're not gonna get around it. Okay. Well, nothing. But it's starting to get a little, you know, clothes are starting to get wet and a little damp and cold and, yeah. I know, well, it's actually kind of fun still.
Well, yeah, it's adventurous.
Yeah, I don't think I want to sit under here with the spiders until 5 o'clock. Yeah. This is Sabina reporting live from Keller Lake, right? Is this Keller Lake? Okay, yeah, we made it back just fine. A little wet and cold. But
How long was the trip?
4 hours.
4 hours?
Yep. And if it wouldn't have been raining, it would have been longer.
How was it? Pretty fun in any way, in general?
Yep, I'd say.
Sounds good. How about maybe trying for it on a sunny day?
If it ever comes.
What do we do? Get 5 out of 6 or caches or whatever?
4 out of 6.
1 wasn't even there.
Right.
And 1 we didn't
the other
try.
one we didn't take.
Try for it because it was raining.
Yeah, and because it was over half a mile.
Well, sounds great. Well, yeah. Pretty good Mother's Day kayak, huh?
Yep. Now I gotta go home and take a hot bath.